Okay, welcome to the next little video tutorial. Very simple one here today. Okay, what I want to talk about in this video tutorial is a new way that I'm going to start writing IP addresses now. Because what we've been doing is we've been writing up addresses like this, 200.12.24.31, followed by the word netmask. 255.255.255.0. And although this is perfectly fine, there's a slightly more compact way, and sometimes you may bump into this. It's very easy conversion from one format to the other, but of course, well, you need to see a couple of examples of it. Okay, so what we're going to be using is we're going to be using a new format called the CIDR, which is classless interdomain routing. They have come up with a different way of writing up addresses. You can read about CIDR. It's pronounced CEDAR, and the format is actually quite simple. So before we had something like this: 200 to 12 24 31 netmask 255.255.255.0. And now in the new CIDR format, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be writing up the number like this: 200.12.24.31 slash 24. Okay, so now what goes on? Okay, it's actually quite a simple thing. You just have to understand what the slash means at the end. So what the slash means, slash 24, simply means the net mask has 24 1 bits. Okay, so what does this mean? Okay, so slash 24 means that it would, if you were to write out the net mask in binary format, we would have this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 16. And of course 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. And 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, so what this is, of course, if you now convert that into decimal, that's 255, 255, 2550. Okay, and that's really all that the number means. Okay, so it's very easy to go back and forth between the two. Okay, as another example, the net mask 255.255.0.0, this would be translated in binary form as 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, and 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So the question now is, how many ones are there? Well, there's a total of 16. So we could represent an address such as 200.12.24.31/16. And what that would mean is that means the address 12.24.31 with a net mask of 255.255.0.0. So it's a very easy conversion between the two. You're just counting up the number of ones. Okay, so, and of course the other one that we've seen is the /8. Now, you might be wondering, can you have some other strange numbers? And yes, there is the possibility. We could, in fact, have an address that looks like 200.12.24.31/20. What this would mean is that the net mask would look like this. It would have 20 ones in it. So, net mask would be equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and then the rest of it would end up being zeros. Okay, so 0, 0, 0, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we'd end up with a net mass that looks like this. We're not going to cover this quite yet. We'll be back to that a little bit later. Okay, so now, for right now, all that I'm going to get you to do is I want you to try one thing. Okay, so let me cover up this, and I'm going to say create a network. So start a brand new page, by the way. Create a network in Packet Tracer with the following two computers, and of course a switch, with the addresses. Here we go. 137.14.192.6/16 and 137.14.192 sorry, change that number, 184.3/16. Okay, make sure that you can ping between the computers and submit a screenshot of the ping working. Okay, so that's what I want you to do. So open up Cisco Packet Tracer. Give me the two computers with those two addresses with using the slash notation, which means, of course, that you will need to figure out the correct net mask, the subnet mask. Once you do that, please upload this. So upload this to B04, which is our current thing. Okay, that's actually all for today. I promise this one's going to be very short. I think this exercise, probably just a 5-minute deal. Please, I really do suggest that you say new under packet tracer, like come up to here, open this up, and actually say file, give me a new one. Throw out the stuff or hang on to it, your choice, and start from scratch again. So don't just try to reuse the same network. Just get used to the idea of setting up the addresses each time. Okay, so I'll leave this back up here so that you can pause the video, and that way you know exactly what's going on. I don't see any point of actually having to show you how this would end up working. Okay, so once you're finished with this, check D2L and get the link up to the next video and do the next exercise. Okay, see you next time.